Hey guys, welcome to another interesting episode of House Key, the best channel for real estate knowledge. This video will be an extension of part 1 where our expert Wahid sir will be talking about investment in Hyderabad and Pharmacity updates. If you haven't watched it yet, do it now, link in the description. In this video, he gave his knowledge on why people get scared about real estate and what points we are supposed to look into when investing in real estate. So why wait more? Let's listen to his words.
Real estate is one kind of business which most of the people have tried in the past. It created a kind of fear among most of the investors. Most of the times what has happened is they have not even taken the Gram Panchayat's approvals. This is one, and the another problem was most of the time they have not bothered to take care of the project after the sale. The another risk is double registration. Sometimes they have sold to X and the same plot was sold to Y. But nowadays those kind of firms are not many, I must say.
So what you are supposed to do is, if you are a new property buyer, look into our house key checklist, which will help you to guide when you are buying a property or a land. Next, we have asked for what parameters to look when buying a real estate.
Yeah, when it comes to investment, you need to probably search what's happening in and around Hyderabad. Basically, which are the real estate firms which are offering these investment opportunities to the people. You need to go around and probably make a survey. Then in fact what you need to keep in mind is should concentrate only on the most happening area. Which side or where exactly is the most of the development concentrated. It should have the connectivity, it should have the ambience, and all kinds of things have to be seen. Government of Telangana has come up with a concept of walk to work, wherein they want to decongest the city and promote satellite townships all around the outer ring road. So I think vicinity of outer ring road and vicinity or proximity to the highways will be the best option for an investor. I was also a government employee. In fact, the youngsters nowadays, they will have options of investment. You can go for FDs, you can go buy some gold or mutual funds. But definitely your returns will not be in the FDs and mutual fund. It's up to 6 to 7% or to the most 8%. So the only option comes as the investment into real estate, and definitely one should see the purse, his own capacity, and then invest. There are multiple options in the real estate also. Different categories. The one on the roadside are commercial property, commercial plots, a little higher, and when you get into the internal roads and all that, you have residential plots which are slightly lesser priced. So definitely real estate looks to be a good option because it helped me in my own life journey.
So that's it for today, and hope we have given the best information. If you loved our work, please do like, comment, subscribe if you haven't yet, and also share with your friends and family who might get benefited from this video. That's it for today. See you in the next informative video on real estate. Happy buying and investing.